Hi guys, my name is Martin.
My name is Shival.
And we are back at Samsung Experience Store at Westgate Mall, and today we are going to unbox the newly unveiled Samsung Galaxy A14.
So here is the phone. We are now going to do the teardown, and always ensure that the seal is not broken when purchasing the phone. So here is the A14.
So if you have noticed, the mid-range and the flagship phones, they come in sleek boxes, and that is because these phones nowadays, they don't come with the charging adapter. So what you find inside the box, you'll find the SIM card ejector. Then inside this other box, you find the C2C charging cable, and there's a user guide. So that is one reason as to why we always find these phones coming in these type of boxes.
The flat surface and the camera design on the A14 makes it look like this here.
And speaking of the flat surface, you can realize that the finishing is of a stripe texture, which makes it different from the A13. So the A13 was sleek, but this one has got a stripe finishing. So it makes it the grasping to be more secure while you're using it. Also, the cameras, so you can see these are triple cameras. It still retains the 50 megapixels main camera. It has got 2 megapixels macro and 2 megapixels, which is depth camera. There's also another advancement that has been done on the front camera, which is the selfie camera. It has been improved from the 8 megapixels up to 13 megapixels, which will make you to take sharp images, be it you are recording videos, so your videos or images will appear to be so sharp. So that is the major improvement that has come with the A14.
So on the A14, it has a 6.6-inch display. It has a power button which also works as a fingerprint sensor, power volume up and volume down, a SIM slot, a charging port, an earphone jack, and a stereo speaker.
The Galaxy A14 comes in Android 13 with One UI Core 5.1. So this will help you to customize your widgets and arrange your apps in a way that you want. Also, if you are a gamer, it is made of a MediaTek chipset, which is MediaTek Dimensity 700, and that is good for gaming. And the battery also, it is good, it will retain you for a longer hour because it is 5,000 milliamps. So this one can take you for a day and a half of usage. Another best feature that this phone has come with is the RAM Plus feature. So this is a feature that provides intelligent memory expansion by using your storage as a virtual memory. So this can help you have a better experience of your apps, and you can have more apps running at the background without lagging. So if you are looking for a phone that is of good service and the price is affordable and reasonable, you can always get yourself the Galaxy A14 at any of our Phone Express branches or our partners, which is PhoneLink, and also you can contact or reach our website at www.phoneexpress.net.
So thank you, Martin. It was a good session. I look forward to doing this again next time in the unboxing of the A34.
You're welcome, Shival, and thank you guys for being with us. until we meet again. And please don't you forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Phone Express Kenya, or follow us on Facebook. All our platform is Phone Express. So you can also find our products on our social media platforms. So just go to www.phoneexpress.net, and if you want to purchase anything from us, you can always do it from there. Thank you, and until we meet again.